Hi, I'm Lee Smith. You might remember me from other informational videos like how do you decipher the truth and all those political attack ads. And I went to jail 13 years ago, before smartphones. Now I'm out, have one, how do I use this damn thing? And my favorite, oops, didn't mean to eat that. Now what do I do? In this informational video, I'd like to teach you how to book the Elope Canyon conference room. It can be done in one of two ways, both of which are the same ways you can book the Grand Canyon conference room. So this will be a good refresher for all of you guys who don't do that correctly. So remember, you can do this with both conference rooms. So option one, you can book the conference room directly on the tablet outside of the Elope Canyon conference room. Simply find the time slot in which you need the room. Push the plus sign, put your name and the name of the meeting, and it will then be on the calendar. Not just on the tablet outside of the conference room, but through Office 365, it will go to all of the calendars. So everyone will have it and they can see it and see that they can't book the conference room. Option two, you can do it from the comfort of your own home, on your phone, at your desk. Simply open Outlook, go to the calendar, find the time slot in which you need to meet, invite the room, Elope Canyon or Grand Canyon, and make the meeting. Outlook will then book the meeting and you can see it on the tablet just outside of the conference room. Thank you for your time, and I hope that you'll also enjoy my future informational video. My neighbor's crazy. Do I call the cops or not?
Oh my God, get the hell out of here!